How to deactivate an Instagram account on a PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate an Instagram account on a PC. First, navigate to the Instagram site on your web browser. Make sure to log in to your account. On the left side, click the profile option. Next, click the gear icon on the right side and select Settings and Privacy. In Settings, click See More in Account Center. Then, go to Your Information and Permission and select Download Your Information. Here, click the Download or Transfer Information option to back up your chats before deletion. Now, select the Instagram account, click Next, and choose the information options. After that, click Create File to download your information. Then go back and go to Profile Details. Here, click Account Ownership and Control. Next, choose Deactivation or Deletion. Lastly, select your Instagram account, select the option Deactivation and Continue. Your account will be deactivated after the given time. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.